Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make crispy pumpkin chips. It's very easy and delicious and also very healthy. For this recipe is for people that want to control weight or lose the weight. It's help you for like a snack. First we're gonna clean out your pumpkin and then cut to be small pieces so that you can remove the skin with knife very easy. And then we're gonna cut to be the size that we want. We will gonna make like a slice or chip. You can use knife or mandolin. Is for health is a very thin skin, but depend with the what you like. You can also use the knife. But we're gonna slice chip size pieces as thin as possible. And now it's ready for our pumpkin slice, and then next go to the air fryer. Before we take into the air fryer, you can use a bit of salt to make it more tasty, and then mix it with the pumpkin slice and put on the air fryer for only some quantity, because if you put more and then it's very difficult to crispy or it make it more stick. And then we're gonna use 150 for 10 minutes. In the first time, we will make it 2 times to make it more crispy and cook it overall. And now after 10 minutes, you can see our pumpkin is light brown, and then we're gonna mix it to make top to bottom and bottom to top, and then continue with the temperature 140 Celsius in 10 minutes, and after that it's crispy. Now it's ready. You can see it's beautiful golden brown with a slight burn look. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.